Namaste. Thank you for joining and this will be a very short video जिसमें आप कुछ बहुत basic आसन, इनफैक्ट कुछ basic exercises कर सकते हैं which are very closely related to आसन and आप उससे थोड़ी सी mobility create कर सकते हैं अपने lifestyle में and I hope this helps. So इसके लिए हम पहले एक बहुत comforting pose में either आप शवासन में लेट सकते हैं या फिर आप बैठ सकते हैं and just closing your eyes and breathing in deeply and out completely. Breathe in and breathe out and get ready to be able to practice थोड़ी सी mobility and थोड़े से आसन with gratitude and remembering your gurus and Lord. Before we start, surrendering to the higher power. Repeat after me. Om. Hari Om Tat Sat. How are you feeling? कैसे हैं? So I hope these asan and these small practices help you with all that may be troubling अगर आप कोई भी struggle कर रहे हैं. So let's start already. So सबसे पहले let's start with this sunbird pose जिसमें आप बैठ सकते हैं and putting your knees in line with your hips, your hands with shoulder width apart and आपके hands exactly आपके shoulder की alignment में हैं and then you have to breathe in, look up and raise your right leg parallel to the floor और उसके बाद वापस आप रखेंगे और एक्सहेल करेंगे एंड उसके बाद आप अपने फोरहेड से टच करने की कोशिश करेंगे. सिमिलरली आपका लेफ्ट लेग ऊपर जाएगा और आप इनहेल करेंगे एंड आपका हेड ऊपर जाएगा एंड एक्सहेल करते हुए आपका फोरहेड पे टच होगा. सो दिस वी विल ट्राई टू डू अबाउट 10 times, 5 times each side and we'll start. So inhale, right leg up and exhale, contract. Inhale, right leg up and exhale, contracting, touching your forehead. Inhale, right leg up and head up. Exhale, contracting and putting on your forehead. Inhale, right leg parallel to the floor, looking up. Exhale, touching your forehead and inhale. Right leg parallel to the floor, looking up. Hold a bit. Now keep breathing. Exhale, bringing your leg to the forehead, knee touching the forehead, and relax. Now we will do similarly on the left side. अब आपको अपना left leg parallel to the floor, inhaling and looking up. और जब आप exhale करेंगे तो आपको इसको अपने forehead पे touch करना है. Now we will do it. Inhale, left leg up, look up, and exhale, putting it to your forehead. Inhale, left leg up, look up, and exhale, touching to the forehead. Inhale, left leg up, parallel to the floor, look up. Exhale, bringing to the forehead. Inhale, left leg up, parallel to the floor, head up. And exhale, touching your forehead. Again, left leg up. Inhaling and exhaling, touching your forehead. Now relaxing and making sure that your hands are in 90 degrees in straight line with the shoulders, and your hips in alignment with the knees. Now you have to keep your breathing normal, और हम करेंगे ये डायनेमिक पोजेस ऑफ कैट एंड काउ, एंड उसके बाद इनहेल करते हुए ऊपर एंड एक्सहेल पे हमें नीचे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करना है. And this also we will try to do about 10 times. Inhale, up. Exhale, look down and contract. Inhale, up, stretching your upper body up. And exhale, trying to touch your knee, trying to touch your chin to the chest. Inhale, look up. And exhale, chin to the chest. Inhale, look up. Exhaling and contracting. Inhale, look up. And exhale, contracting, making a hump. Inhale, look up. And exhale, looking down, contracting as an hump. One more time, inhale, look up, contracting and making a hump. Now just to rest, child pose में पहले भी आप extend कर सकते अपने hands, and when you feel right, you can bring it back to feet. Now let's come in Shavasana. And in Shavasana, we will do leg raises. Now leg raises are really important exercises actually, जो generally लोग बहुत casually लेते हैं. So here we will do single leg and double leg raises both. So here, very simple concept. You just have to lift your right and left leg up alternatively, breathing in and then breathing out. You keep it back, right? तो आपको अपने hands, आपकी जो हथेलियां हैं वो down face करेंगी to the floor, and as you inhale, bring your right leg up. Exhale, right leg down. Left leg up. Inhale. And left leg down. Exhale. Inhale, right up. Exhale, down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, right up. Exhale, down. Inhale, left up. Exhale, down. Inhale, right up. Exhale, down. Inhale, left up. Exhale, down. Now keeping both feet and legs together. Inhale and both feet up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Now inhale up and keep holding it there. Now as I say, only then release. Exhaling slowly and keeping it at 60 degree. Then 90 degree, then 45, 30, Now exhale and release completely, lying in Shavasana. Relaxing your body and catching your breath. Now coming to one side of the body, we will get up and do a variation and a little dynamic pose or exercise for Trikonasana. So Trikonasana exactly इस तरीके से नहीं होता, but we will be using it for it. तो ये हमारी mobility and exercise की तरह हम इसे use कर सकते हैं for dynamic. You can keep your feet about 3 to 4 feet apart, and then keeping your right leg, right foot facing towards the right side, inhaling and twisting your body, keeping your left hand down and right leg up, look up. Now coming back, twisting your right foot inside and twisting your left foot outside, twisting your body. We'll twist the body and put our right hand down and look up. Same, twisting the body, bringing the foot back inside. Keeping both the feet, the heels in one straight line. Shifting the right, putting your left hand down and looking up. Now twisting the body and bringing your right foot inside, twisting your left foot outside and bringing your right hand down and looking up. Then coming back up and putting your left foot inside, facing forward. With the shift of your right foot, your body twists and putting your left hand down and right hand up and coming back up, putting your right foot inside and left foot outside, twisting right hand down and looking up, and then you come back, relax, and that's it for today. Thank you. Keep practicing and make sure that you give yourself 5 minutes at least of relaxation after every exercises, और जब भी पूरा exercise का आपका sequence होता है उसके बाद make sure that you give yourself relaxation for about 5 minutes and keep practicing also. Thank you so much.